It was really a great, enjoyable night. We never felt any time passing. It's your enthusiasm to celebrate Sahasrar Puja is very remarkable. I cannot imagine how joyous it is to be in collective like this, all of us, and enjoying the bliss of joy, peace, and love. I was surprised at certain great talents that came up and who played so beautifully. Individually, they were very, very good, something very surprising. And not only that, but it shows that there is a divine effect on these artists, no doubt. I've been to Slovakia only once. Once only I went there. And today to see so many Sahajogis from Slovakia giving such a beautiful performance of from Valmiki up to this Kali Yuga and then to Satyuga. It's very remarkable. I don't know who taught them all these things, at least I did not tell them all these things as far as I remember. But the way, you see, their heart is open now to Sahaja and to the divine blessings. All these ideas come, trickle down. And unbelievable it is. If you show this to Indians, they'll be surprised how you could get to the roots of everything and how beautifully you have described it in a very dramatic manner. I again feel this is very divine manufacturing or perhaps manifestation through you people. It's impossible. Can't imagine you people didn't know this language, you didn't know anything about India, and suddenly you come up with such beautiful rendering, such beautiful expressions that no one can really believe. Luckily, the Director General of our Indian television and broadcasting, he is a Sahajogi. And he has told me that, Mother, your programs which are abroad, you bring them along and we can show them as episodes. So this will all be broadcasted by him and they will be all amazed, these Indians, that how you people have achieved this mastery. I mean, even the piano players and also the cello players. It's unbelievable. Such mastery they showed. And also, as they were afraid that it might become a little boring, it's not at all. It's the most enjoyable evening I've had. I must congratulate the organizers for that. It is I know you have worked very hard because the condition of this place was not so good. And I don't know how far you have gone to decorate it and work it out. And I mean, it's really remarkable. It's the collective joy, I think, that brings forth all these kind of fruits of your joy. Otherwise, I can't understand, I can't imagine how all these things were done in such a short time and absolutely in perfect condition, everything so well done. Unbelievable it is. To me, it's such a great joy, such a great blessing, I feel, because whatever so-called work I have done, I don't know what people say, you worked so hard and all that. But how it has been brought to this state is difficult to understand. I didn't know that Surge will work so fast with you all. I never had this idea. And I was just thinking, the time when I think I broke the Sahasrara, that time I had no idea of the future of this kind, which is in my own lifetime I am seeing, and I am very thankful to you for that. Today really I think everybody's Sahasrara is very open, and they are all enjoying, all of them are really enjoying the whole ambience, I would say, plus the music and all the humor, all the acting, and also the people who were using percussion instruments like tabla and others. It was all something really very, very surprising. Anybody who will see this will be amazed what Sahaja Yoga can do to you people who had never known what is Indian music and who had never knew about our mythology. How you have depicted, I am trying to find out who has told you all these stories so correct, absolutely correct. May God bless you, all of you. And I want you to just enjoy life, enjoy everything, every moment of Sahasrara Puja. I am so full of gratitude for you that you all have done so much work. You think I worked hard, but I don't think I worked that hard as you people have worked. And it has all come to this beautiful expression of your love for me. Thank you very much. Thank you.